Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to append two files in weka using special CLI. Here I have two files, one is the train dataset and other is the test dataset. And now I am opening both the files, one train dataset in Notepad++ and then test dataset. Now we have to convert these text file into ARFF file because weka only use or only work in ARFF file. When we open this, we will save it as .arff train file and save it. Then simply we move towards the test text file and we save this .text file as .arff file and simply save it. Now we have these two files in ARFF format, and if you simply want to load the file, training file or testing file, you can simply do this process, convert the .text file into ARFF file, and you can load it on weka and do all your process like classification, clustering. But here we want to append both the dataset, so we use simple CLI. But first I will show you how you can load a simple file after converting a simple text file into ARFF. So you can see this is the process. I'm uploading the file which I have converted. Yes, I will save it, and now this file is loaded and you can do classification, clustering, whatever you want. But we want to append the both files, which is training and testing. I open simple CLI and now I am going to write the command in the command window, java space weka dot core. This is the class name used in weka.core dot instances. I should be capital, always remember. Okay, space and append. We are using append because we want to append the dataset. These are the files which we save .arf and test and text file. Okay, we are now going to write the directory path first, which is in the F folder. I am going to write my file path, and then I am going to write my file name. Okay, this is my file name. First I mentioned the directory, which is the F folder. Now I am writing the file name. Okay, then space. This is the name of the train file, train dataset file. Now I am going to write the name of the test file. Okay, its directory and its name. After placing the path or name of my training and test file, I will click on the space button and write the greater than sign, and now I am giving the directory of my final file, which will appear after the combination of my both dataset when my test data cell will be transferred at the end of my train dataset file. Okay, then another file, final file, will appear, which is the append file. Here you can see finished directory means an output file is created or generated. Okay, the append file is created. Here you can see the append file on the same folder where we have placed our text file and train file. Now you can see this is the size of test file dataset and this is the size of train file dataset actual size. Okay, now here is the append file merging of two dataset, and this is the size of the file which shows that your dataset is added. I am showing you the proof of adding the dataset. You can see this. This is the actual size of train file dataset. This is the actual size of test file dataset. And when we append both the files, the dataset is Yes, increased, as you can see. This is the whole process of appending the two files using weka special CLI. Now you are going to open the Explorer, load that new append file where we have merged our dataset or combine our dataset. This is the append file. Load this file and now you can further do your processing. This is the classes available for appear student, faculty, project and course. Uh, yes, and the document. Here you can see the document file is not showing any value. So you can choose the filter and then the apply the filter and then the document file will show the values. I will done this process of applying the filter and doing the classification process on my next video. So wait for my next video. Till then you can learn this and also implement this and apply this on your work, and wait for my next video.